Welcome back to Auto Drive Show, the channel where power meets passion and every drive tells a story. If you're new here, make sure to join our community of auto lovers as we explore the most thrilling machines shaping the future of performance. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that pushes the legendary 911 lineage into an entirely new dimension. This is the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT, a machine designed not just to be fast, but to redefine what everyday supercar performance truly means. From the moment you glance at the 2026 911 Turbo GT, it's clear Porsche didn't hold anything back. The silhouette remains unmistakably 911, but the details tell a story of track-bred aggression fused with road-ready refinement. The widened stance gives it a muscular confidence, while the sculpted air intakes and reworked aerodynamic lines ensure every inch of the body serves a purpose. One of the immediate highlights is the enhanced aero kit, featuring a more pronounced front splitter, larger side air openings, and a race-inspired rear wing that not only looks spectacular, but dramatically increases downforce for high-speed stability. Under the rear deck lid lies the heart of the beast, a massively upgraded twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter flat-six engine. Porsche engineers have taken the already blistering performance of the Turbo S and dialed it even further, with output figures now pushing the limits of what a street-legal 911 has ever delivered. The Turbo GT unleashes an estimated 760 horsepower, making it the most powerful production 911 ever built. Paired with Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the Turbo GT rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.2 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. Wrapped in a silhouette you can drive every day, but sheer straight-line performance is only part of the Turbo GT's magic. Porsche has reworked the chassis with adaptive suspension, quicker steering response, and a newly tuned active roll stabilization system. These upgrades transform the car into a precision tool, able to carve through corners with an intuitive feel that borders on telepathic. Whether you're attacking the curves of your favorite mountain road or pushing limits on the track, the Turbo GT maintains a level of control and balance that few cars in the world can match. Step inside, and the Turbo GT feels every bit as special as its performance suggests. Porsche has elevated the cockpit with driver-focused upgrades, blending modern technology with classic 911 character. The lightweight bucket seats provide exceptional support, while the materials reflect Porsche's commitment to craftsmanship: Alcantara, carbon fiber, and subtle GT accents throughout the cabin. The digital cockpit integrates performance-focused displays, giving you real-time data on boost pressure, lap times, and dynamic vehicle status. Everything is designed to keep your attention on the driving experience, where it matters most. Of course, the Turbo GT doesn't forget that it's also meant to be lived with. Porsche has retained features like smartphone integration, advanced navigation, premium audio, and comfort settings for everyday use. This dual personality is what makes the 911 Turbo line so iconic. Brutal performance when you want it, refinement and usability when you need it. One standout feature making waves is the enhanced launch control system, now even sharper and capable of delivering the most consistent acceleration runs ever achieved in a 911. Porsche has also introduced an all-new cooling system borrowed from their motorsport division, allowing sustained high-performance driving without heat-related drop-off. Whether on a twisting back road or a closed circuit, the Turbo GT is engineered to give you maximum confidence for as long as you're behind the wheel. Behind all the engineering and design is a simple truth: the 911 Turbo GT isn't just about numbers, it's an emotional experience. It's the feeling of the engine delivering wave after wave of power, the precision of the steering as the car flows through a corner, and the unmistakable sound of the flat-six as it sings through the rev range. Porsche understands that great performance cars do more than perform. They connect with the driver on a deeper level, and that's exactly what the 2026 Turbo GT achieves. So, is the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT the greatest road-going 911 ever built? Many will say yes, and after spending time with it, it's hard to argue. It represents the pinnacle of Porsche engineering, delivering staggering speed, track-ready capability, and daily usability in one breathtaking package. For enthusiasts around the world, the Turbo GT isn't just another evolution, it's a milestone. Thank you for watching Auto Drive Show. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content coming your way. Until next time, keep your passion alive and your wheels turning.